your Protos drifts strongly to one side after a hard crash, you can perform the IMU calibration, also called gyro calibration. Follow the instructions in the Protos manual to perform the IMU calibration using the on-screen display in your FPV goggles. You can also perform the IMU calibration without goggles in an emergency. Place the Protos on a perfectly level surface. Move the left stick of your remote control to the bottom right corner and the right stick of your remote control all the way down to the center. Release both sticks. Then move the right stick all the way up to the center once and release it again. Now move the right stick again to the bottom right corner and then back to the center. The IMU calibration should now begin, which is indicated by the LED on the Protos blinking green 3 times. After 2 seconds, the IMU calibration is complete, which the Protos indicates by blinking green 4 times. Wait another 10 seconds before taking off. If you don't have a level surface available, you can place paper under one side of the Protos, specifically on the side where it drifts during hover flight, and calibrate the IMU in this position. After that, you can briefly test fly the Protos in hover flight indoors or in calm conditions, and if it still drifts to the same side, you can repeat the process with more paper under that side. Due to all my crashes and leaf blower flights, one of my Protos propellers broke. Replacing it turned out to be difficult because the propeller was very tightly stuck on the motor shaft. I managed it with 2 methods. With the kitchen knife method, which is not entirely ideal for the Protos because the knives scratched the ducts, something that could have been avoided by wrapping the back part of the knives with fabric tape or something similar. Using the Propeller I got from AliExpress, and about which I already made a video, also worked, but just barely because the propeller was so tightly stuck. I also couldn't fully press the new propeller onto the motor shaft with my fingers, which is why I decided to drill or file it out with a 1.48mm drill bit that I also bought on AliExpress. As you can see, this is not ideal for someone who doesn't have these tools available, so I can only hope that most of you won't have to replace the propellers on your Protos. It's always somehow possible, but in this case, it's really difficult. Check out the video on my channel about removing propellers. Clean the Protos drone when needed with a small brush or a damp but not wet cloth. Clean the sensors of the Protos with a damp cotton swab if necessary. In my case, they were once dirty with grass, which caused the Protos to no longer hold its position properly. If you need more information about the new CADDX PROTOS ready-to-fly FPV Beginner kit, or about the Ascent HD video system from CADDX, then watch my main CADDX PROTOS video, which can be described as an in-depth review, tutorial, video guide, full manual for the CADDX PROTOS. In this long main video about the CADDX PROTOS, you will find all the information you need for a purchase decision or for operating your CADDX PROTOS once you have bought it. And also keep an eye on the future videos that I will still make about the CADDX PROTOS. I will summarize the videos in a YouTube playlist or in a YouTube course. There you will find all relevant videos from me about the CADDX PROTOS. I hope you liked the video, and if so, you can support my work on Ko-Fi.com, give this video a like, write a comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel if you want to be informed when I make a new video. I will make at least 2 more videos about the Protos. Also check out the tutorials on this channel about learning FPV flying and line-of-sight flying.